Maen nhw angen lot o gymorth rhan fwyaf o'r pobl sy'n dod drwy drws ata ni. Dwi'n teimlo heb y cymorth yna, mae'r llai o pobl yn mynd i fewn i waith. Rhian di enw fi, dwi'n un o'r mentoriad yn Mons IF. Trwy'r gronfa IE, da ni'n rhedeg yr Active Inclusion Project. Trwy'r prosiect mae hyn yn analu a cymhorthu pobl i chwilio am waith. Da ni'n helpu pobl efo creu CVs. Da ni'n helpu nhw efo sgiliau, interviews, job searching. Dwi'n teimlo ar y prosiect Active Inclusion, da ni wedi cefnogi llawer o bobl sydd yn gwynebu llawer o broblemau gwahanol a barriers maen nhw'n teimlo sy'n nadu nhw fynd i fewn i gwaith. Enghraifft problemau mental health. A pobl sydd wedi bod allan o waith am amser hir, felly maen nhw angen mwy o amser jyst i helpu nhw fo'u hyder ac yn y blaen.
Yeah, working with Mons IF has helped me to find the courage to look for work and get ready for it. I think in our current economical environment, there's a lot of mental health issues going around. Not a lot of people developing very well to be ready for the world of work. And I think places like Mons IF help people to find the encouragement that they may have missed somewhere else in their life and find the courage to step forwards.
I was working in retail, and unfortunately due to lockdown, all the shops shut. It was really difficult to stay employed. So I got in touch with Mons IF, and my mentor Katie, she helped me a lot with my CV, sent me for appropriate courses, and it helped me to get the job at the end. So I think it's great that organizations like Mons IF exist because it gives you hope.
Da ni wedi gwneud gwahaniaeth mawr I lot o fywydau I pobl lleol yn Sir Fôn a Gwynedd. A heb yr arian yna, dwi'm yn gwybod be fydd y dyfodol o ran busnesu lleol I helpu recriwtio a helpu pobl hefyd I gael y hyder i fynd yn ôl I weithio.